Hello everyone, I am Raghu from MLR Learner. I would like to improve our speaking skills. Now we are going to learn about past perfect continuous tense. It shows that an action started in the past and continued up to a specific time in the past. Keywords: until, up to, before, and etc. Until, for example, he had been learning English until last month. Up to, for example, we had been living in Shadnagar up to we moved to Hyderabad. Before, for example, they had been playing cricket before the rain started. Helping verb: had. Had is past to have or have. We used have or has helping verb in the present perfect continuous tense. Add is the past to have or has. We change here in this sentence only helping verb. In the past perfect, helping verb is had. Here also same helping verb, that is had, and same contraction also, that is had plus not hadn't. But here been is added to had. Main verb: present participle or V1 plus ing is equal to V4. Already we know that every continuous tense has same main verb, that is present participle or ing form. Example: structure of sentence is subject plus helping verb, that is had, and been plus main verb, that is ing form, plus object. Example, serial number 1, I had been teaching mathematics. It is past perfect continuous tense. But we add here specific time with keyword. Without adding this, we don't understand clear meaning. So we add here specific time with keyword, that is until 2002. Complete sentence is I had been teaching mathematics until 2002. Serial number 2. Who had been waiting there until 9 p.m. Serial number 3. Who had been You had been attending exam up to 3 times. Fourth sentence. They had been walking yesterday up to 6 kilometers. Serial number 5. He had been watching TV before she came. Sixth, she had been preparing breakfast before she went out. Serial number 7. It had been working here until lockdown. I have taken a maid instead of it. Maid had been working here until lockdown. I have written 7 subject pronouns, positive sentences. If we add not to helping verb, that changes negative sentence. For example, serial number 1. Had not been teaching mathematics until 2002. If we think that it is contraction, hadn't been teaching mathematics until 2002. If we add or right after helping verb, it will change negative sentence. If we write helping verb before the subject, it will change question. For example, serial number 2. Had we been waiting there until 9 p.m. In the present perfect continuous tense, helping verbs are plural and singular different. In the past perfect continuous tense, only one helping verb to all subject pronouns or all subjects nouns, that is only had. We can try to practice with other main verb and improve our speaking skills of past perfect continuous tense. Actually, we don't use more it in the conversation, but we should learn. Thank you.